What's up guys, Eric back from here from Beat Sonic. We are doing something special. We're installing another ShiftPower Throttle Response Controller on this beautiful brand new Toyota Land Cruiser by Daniel Song. Driven mine. If you haven't yet, make sure you follow him. And it has a full entire artisan body kit. It's the first one in the US. Looks amazing. It's also fitted with some new aftermarket wheels and a bunch of other stuff. But when you do all this, it really weighs down your car. Your car gets a little bit sluggish. So we are here to help. We got our ShiftPower Throttle Response Controller. It's a plug and play install, and it'll give you back that throttle response that you may have lost by weighing your car down, making it heavy. The best of all, it's plug and play, super easy to install. You'll see us how easy it is to install this, and we'll also show you how much difference it makes. Well, let's stop talking and let's go inside the car and get this installed. All right, so basically locate your pedal here and then just follow along to the top from the pedal, and then you'll find a connector that's connected up here. It's right here. My finger is touching it. And the trick is to make sure you're pulling the connector straight up. Don't pull at an angle. You're gonna be very tempted to pull at an angle because you're reaching over from the left side of the car, and then just push it in right there. That easy. Okay, next, all we have to do is tuck this in to the side. And the password is also on the module itself, just in case you lose the instructions manual. Okay, suck it over, and then we're just going to route the button to where you want it. So let's find a good location for it. All right, so we are going to mount it right here. And yeah, you see the wires here, so we're gonna pop this panel off and then tuck this behind it. So let me show you how to do that. Or you can just pop this. Okay, there you go. Okay, pop this. Okay, there you go. There it is. Let's see. There we go. All right, perfect. What a nice location. Right here, just like that, okay? And let me remove this double-sided tape. And before you do this, make sure this surface area is all clean. And especially if you clean it with like Armor All and all that, you gotta wipe all that off with the alcohol wipe before you do so, or else it won't stick. And push and hold this for about a minute to make sure it's stuck on there pretty good. And once again, guys, if you wanna be sure, make sure you clean the surface with alcohol wipe, or else the double-sided tape will not stick. All right, terrific. That's it, guys. It's that easy to install. So let me show you how this works. All right, let's first turn on the car. Okay, with the car turned on, if you look at this, it's currently lit up with a white LED. That means basically turned off. It's like factory mode. The most powerful thing about this ShiftPower Throttle Response Controller is the app. So first, go to your app store and let's download the app. Just type ShiftPower. Here it is, right here. I already have it, so it's just gonna open. And it's gonna ask you some questions. Go ahead and just go through all the disclosures. All right, and then you'll see a screen that looks like this. So to connect it to connect to your car, select this car icon. Here it is, click connect. And it's gonna ask you for the Bluetooth pairing request and get your manual. You'll be able to get the password from here. So once it's there, it's connected. All right, it's going to ask you select your vehicle. So this is a Toyota. Oh, they didn't put the Land Cruiser in here yet. Okay, so if your car doesn't show here, no big deal. It's just to categorize your car. If you have multiple cars, that doesn't change anything in regards to performance or the function. Okay, let's just pick a Highlander 2025. Let's accept. All right, so now that it's paired and connected, every time you push the button, it will jump to different modes. So I'm pushing the button here, and you can see, jumping to different modes. And if you like something in between, so green is dynamic and then yellow is sport. So say that you drag your finger along, say that you want something in between, you can drag your finger and then fine tune in 1% increments exactly the amount of acceleration throttle response you want. But at 0 is factory and everything over that is more than factory. If you want to save some gas, you can put it on eco mode. So this is the default at 10%. Basically this will give you more gas mileage, and you can also put it on valet mode. So valet mode basically is to restrict the amount of acceleration when you're valeting your car, because a valet driver does not need to go and floor your car and do peel outs. And you can also lock it. This is an immobilizer, so with it in lock mode, pressing an acceleration pedal, nothing happens. And this gauge here shows you what I'm doing to the original acceleration pedal. I'm pressing it, but nothing happens. So very good layer of security. If your car is parked outside, or say that you leave your car at the airport, lock it, so if somehow a thief gets in and turns on the engine, they won't be able to drive off with it. All right, and these different modes, driving modes here. So green is dynamic, S is sport, yellow, orange is super sport, and red is race. There's also other functions in here with the illumination of the button, how bright you want it. There's also different acceleration curves that you could select from. It is a heavier car. We recommend driving it in linear, but you can also play around with all the other settings. Linear, exponential, dynamic. Linear will get back to your wide open throttle the fastest. Exponential will be utilizing your full entire acceleration play. However, for larger cars, linear seems to work the best. And these are all your presets, so when you push the button, it'll jump into these different presets. This is at default 2550, 75, 100. You can't make that change. And if you want to also add functions, as in like say that you have it in valet or lock mode, and once you approach your car and it connects to your phone via Bluetooth, you can make it unlock automatically as well. All right, so those are all the functions. Let's go for a test drive. We're gonna drive it around in dynamic. Dynamic is the most preferred mode with our ShiftPower Throttle Response Control for everyday driving. If you're drag racing, you can put it to race, but just for overall daily driving with getting rid of your acceleration delay, this dynamic green mode is our recommended one. So let's go for a drive. So we're gonna drive around with everything off. And because it's a hybrid, it does have more torque than a non-hybrid car. Yeah. All right, so driving around, man, it drives okay. A bit laggy on the bottom end, all right? I wish they'll go a little faster, but I mean, what can you expect? It's a truck. So let me switch it to dynamic. This is our 25%. And yeah, and off the bat, like, you totally feel the difference right away. And this isn't about like drag racing to see how fast it is and all that. It's about being able to use it on a consistent daily basis. And if you could make your driving experience better with less lag, easier to go in the flow of traffic when you're going on the on-ramp on the freeway, and why not? Even like right off the bat, oh yeah, definitely. And the car just wants to go. The car doesn't feel heavy anymore. It has these really huge tires. Felt laggy at most. Felt laggy in the beginning, but now it drives really nice. Yeah, I'm just gonna go for it, and I'm just gonna jump this to the race. Oh yeah, barely touching it, and the car just wants to go. Oh yeah. All right, let me turn this off. So back to factory mode. Oh, the car feels so sluggish and so heavy. What a big difference. Oh yeah, man. It's like, you know that feeling where you wish the car would just go a little bit faster, like even just 10% more, and then the car just feels very, very slow? That's how it feels right now. Especially after getting used to the additional throttle response the ShiftPower Throttle Response Controller is giving. Oh yeah, it's like you press and then the car goes. You press and then the car goes. It's not immediate. Then let me jump to dynamic, which is the Green mode. It's at 25%. It's the default. You can always change it if you want. Okay, now it feels normal. Like, I feel like this is how it should have felt from the beginning. Car feels much lighter. Feels like I just lost like a couple 100 pounds on the car. All right, I'm gonna pull into this neighborhood over here and let me show you what valet mode does. All right, so I turn the valet mode. Here it is. And let me try flooring the car. Ready? This is it. I mean, the car does not want to go. Okay, it goes a little bit, but like it's very, very laggy. The valet driver won't be able to go too far off with it. They won't be able to have their type of fun. If they decide they want to be a little mischievous, they definitely won't have that opportunity. And we just parked our car and gonna lock it. Definitely could lock your car before you turn off your engine. And next time you turn on your car, say that a thief goes in, manages to break in, and it's just nothing happens. Another layer of anti-theft in your car. Can't beat that. All right, guys. I mean, having this ShiftPower Throttle Response Controller on a truck like this is a game changer. Your car no longer feels very sluggish and very heavy. I mean, this makes a huge difference. And there's a lot of skeptics out there saying that all you have to do is push your acceleration pedal a little bit more, but it's different. You just can't get that same type of feel, and it's much more than that. So if you guys are doubtful, go ahead and give it a try. If you don't like it, then reach out to us and we'll take care of you. So all right, guys, well, that concludes our installation demonstration of our ShiftPower Throttle Response Controller on this brand new Toyota Land Cruiser. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you already have one of these, go ahead and also leave a comment and tell us your favorite mode that you've been using with our ShiftPower Throttle Response Controller app. And if you haven't yet, help our channel, give us that like and that subscribe button. That helps us out a lot. Thank you very much and see you guys on the next video.